then it's easier for me to understand what you're saying. But, like, just listening to you, like, talk about it, and I'm just giving you an example. Like, sometimes I'm just like, just let me do it, and then kind of walk me through it so that I can feel what you're saying.
Well, and I mean, I feel like that's why I would learn is if somebody kind of gave me just hit the highlights of something, then put me in the position and tell me what I'm doing and why, and then put me in the position and let me go. If there's anything kind of, not let you fuck it up yourself, but not correct you every minuscule detail, let you figure out those little details.
And if you're not figuring it out, then correct. If you could go on Erie and just go solo, I don't think right now. I don't think you're equipped yet.
An inspiring adventure. It's a rousing and touching story. This incredible Mulan is a rich and rewarding experience for the whole family.
Who will belong to us all?
Maybe that's the thing. I feel like I know enough to do it, but not enough to teach somebody else. I'm not sure exactly how I learned what I know.
Listening to your favorite artists.
YouTube.
And we love listening to you.
Here we are, stuck at sea. Motor wouldn't stay running. Had plenty of gas. Now we're stuck on the bottom, but I was able to fish out the pickup tube. Now we just have to get it attached. For that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see what we have to work with. Duct tape.
And why did we get stuck?
Because I was flying the drone and wasn't paying attention. And we drifted right into the muck.
Yeah, you can see it on the edge of this where we tried to kind of push off, but no, we stuck. Oh, I think it died.
No, it'll just shut off the historic order.
Oh.
If you look at the front. I am.
Our dogs hate us because we spent all day on the lake, and then we come home, hear them, and now we're going next door to sit in the hot tub because our neighbors are awesome, and they invited us to come hang out.
This is how we unwind from a
Hell yeah.
day on the lake. We just walk across the yard. My cooler beer, my cigar, ready for my nightcap. Oh, got my lady in tow.
Literally.
And I'll show off. Neighbor Dennis built a big giant gazebo porch swing.
Oh yeah, that shit's badass.
You can't stop building stuff.
Henry! Did you say, is he recording?
You're on video, Henry. Say hi, everybody. Hey, everybody.